AEV has established itself throughout Europe as a leading and reliable specialist in the field of electronic accessories. Quality, innovation, and market orientation are top priorities at AEV. For this reason, AEV works tirelessly on improving its internal processes. Recently, the firm restructured and expanded its logistics and distribution center in Heilbronn. In this context, 4 Hänel Lean-Lifts were integrated into the existing warehouse structure. Standing 8.5 meters high, the lifts utilize the full height of the warehouse. They provide 360 square meters of usable storage space on a footprint of only 24 square meters. This results in optimal use of the available floor space. With the flexible, height-optimized storage offered by the Hänel Lean-Lifts, AEV can stock a range of up to 3,200 different articles. Each day, about 37,000 items pass through the dispatch warehouse. To control the processes more efficiently, AEV uses the VIA warehouse management system from ViaStore Systems in conjunction with its existing enterprise resource planning system, Navision. New pick orders are relayed to VIA and can be processed in both the automated store and the manual store. The Hänel Lean-Lifts are operated via the program interface of VIA. A database keeps details of all the articles, including article numbers, article names, and other information. When new items are put into storage, they are first identified with a barcode scanner, and the inventory amount for this article is updated. If the same article is already stored in the lift at another location, this is taken into consideration during order picking so that the older article is accessed by the system first. Thanks to the warehouse management software, the current inventory status of individual articles can be viewed at any time. Adding new articles to the system is an easy process. The VIA software also controls all the processes involved in retrieval. Employees can view and edit the various pick orders at the terminals. At the press of a button, the control system automatically brings the container with the requested article to the access point. This means goods to man, not man to goods. To prevent unnecessary pick errors, the box from which an item should be taken is identified in the graphical container overview of the VIA software. The Hänel Pick-O-Light system also helps to make picking faster and more reliable by shining a red LED onto the requested article. The 4 Hänel Lean-Lifts are operated simultaneously by 2 employees. By using advanced storage systems from Hänel in conjunction with high-performance warehouse management software from ViaStore Systems, the company has been able to increase its order picking performance to up to 180 picks per person in an hour, which could not have been achieved in a conventional order picking warehouse. Further convincing benefits are faster goods delivery, improved stock control, minimized pick errors, and shorter order processing times.